Okay, this is your homework. Now, I've answered these in many different ways. 1 negative, 2 negative. Some class I've done this. But same signs, different signs. Same sign, you add, or because have same sign, there's 1 negative and 1 positive. You subtract, or 1 negative, whichever way. We've done, most classes we've done these, so if you don't have that, copy that down. Okay. And this one, what did they do wrong? Same as the other ones. They should have made, here's the plus sign. -4 into 0 because of the plus. Okay, not the 8, because if you had a wall, the 8 does not have it. So let's redo this. Plus x equals to 8. So you would make 0 to this -4 instead by add 4. That's 0. Bring down that plus x. You didn't do, but because you add here, and there's this wall here on the other side of the wall, you have to also add 4. You get 12. 0 plus x is x, x is equals to 12. Okay? Now, here, oh, they try to make 0 on the correct side, but this is not 0, that's -10. So they should have add 5, not minus. Okay. So if you have -5 plus p equals to 10, should have add 5, add 5. P equals to 15. Okay? There we go. On number 9, 10, 11, 12, you do the same. Here's the plus sign. Find that, make 0 to that side of the equal sign. So make 0 to this by minusing 431 minus 431. Okay, now put that under 431. Okay, because this has 2 negatives, you add them. So 8, 3, 13, 2, negative, because the bigger number is negative, or both are negative. Okay, and this here, this you solve to get 0 plus k. 0 plus k is k equals to -238. So you do this here. I'll leave that one alone. Oh, okay. Here's the plus sign, therefore you make this one equal to 0 by, this is doing the opposite of it, and do the same thing on the other side. You can line up the decimal. Subtract because the signs are different. So you subtract. Negative because the bigger number is negative. And 0 plus f is f. I'm going to shorten it. I'm going to put my 0 in the problem. If you have a hard time though, here's the plus sign, you minus 64.9, minus 64.9 to both sides. This makes 0. You add because the sides are the same. It's 100 negative because the bigger number is negative, or both are negative, it's a negative. Okay? Additive inverse. Basically, this is -8 because 1 negative. Both negatives, you add them, you get -12. 1 negative, you get 8 positive. Bigger number is positive. 2 negative, you add them. Okay, 1 negative, you subtract. Bigger number is positive, so the answer is positive. Okay, so here you do additive inverse. add them because one negative only. You subtract, you get 0. Additive inverse. Well, negative, -2. Additive inverse to -8 minus. So you hear minus, you do that. Additive inverse at the minus. Both positive, so it's 13. Big diff 8 minus, so you only do anything after a minus, that being plus plus. 1 negative, you subtract, you get 7. Positive, because the bigger number is positive. 2 negatives here, the answer is -10. Okay, the bottom one, even though it's a minus problem, it's the same thing. Okay, you just do every minus problem, you do additive inverse. H plus 0 here, because -12 and 12 is 0 equals to +2, positive because the bigger number is positive. H minus 0 is H. $12 equals G minus additive inverse. So you make 0, it's an equation, plus 25. 37 equals to G. Okay, that's how you do them. So plus negative at 13. Okay, that's 0. R equals to 33. Okay, I'll just plus the negative, make that's there, make that equal to 0, 10. Subtract because the signs are different, they're opposite of each other. Oh, this is an add problem, no change, leave it alone, no change. Make 0 to -16 by adding 16. Additive inverse, no additive inverse because it's already a plus. That's 0. Bring down the M. Okay, oh, y -7 equals to y minus, that's a minus plus a negative. Add 10. 3 equals to y, subtract because it's a negative. Oh, additive inverse because of minus, w minus, plus a negative by adding 20. Okay. What did the student do wrong? Okay, this is not 0, that's where it's wrong. Add 10 to make 0, not -10. Okay, add 10, add 10. Zero here, plus W is W. Okay, this is wrong because they should have -6. Should not have that. Should have add 5. There's a plus sign here because of the plus sign. I'm so tired. I don't know why. Okay, because should have add 5 because of the plus. This plus here. So 6 equals to -5 plus x. add 5, add 5. So 11 equals to x. Explain what you learn in complete sentence. Okay, that's it. So this is it. And this is it.